Hello, my name is Jimmy and today I'm going to show you this, the 2021 Kia Sorento. It is a 3-row SUV, but what I want to show you is how does a Clek Liing, a Clek Foonf, as well as a baby Zen Yo-Yo fits inside this vehicle. So let's take a look. Alright, welcome to the second row of the Kia Sorento. As you can see, I have the Foonf installed here on the passenger side, and I got the base for the Liing on the driver's side. Both were super easy to get into. There's plenty of headroom. The seats are low enough for me to easily glide these seats in. The doors, they don't open a full 90 degrees, but they're wide enough for me to, well, put the seats in nice and easily. There are 2 sets of lower anchors on the second row and 2 more for the third row. And there's also upper anchors in those exact same positions. The only thing is, while the second row, I was able to put the Foonf as well as the Liing here without any seat movements or anything like that, I was not able to fit the same seats in the third row. It's just too tight back there. But let me show you how to put the Liing into the vehicle just to show you just the amount of space we have back. All right, let's put the Liing in here. As you can see, plenty of room. That was nice and easy. Definitely no problems there. Let's check out the trunk. As you can see within the Sorento, there just isn't a whole lot of space back here behind the third row seats. If you fold them down, definitely a whole lot better. But even with the third row up, you still can fit your baby Zen Yo-Yo nicely behind the third row. Not a problem. So that's exactly how the baby Zen Yo-Yo, the Clek Liing, as well as the Clek Foonf fits inside this, the 2021 Kia Sorento. Is it a good family hauler? Well, yeah, for 2 kids, but definitely not anymore. If you are looking for something a little bit larger, the Kia Telluride or the Kia Carnival is definitely something to consider. In any case, thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you next time. Take care.